Welcome to Dr. Social Problems. In this video, I would like to answer the question, how the identity disorder happens. I'd like to proceed from outline through analysis to conclusion. In case you're in a hurry, please jump over to the conclusion part at the ending scene. Are you ready? Let's start. There was an insider article by Sebastian Cahill. A Florida school district banned furry attire. It's a response to claims students identify as animals. The article says such cases that students identify themselves as animals are not actually happening so often. And this ban of students wearing furry attires is coming from the Florida standing against accepting LGBTQ people. Although it may be true that these cases are far fewer than being reported, it is true that there are a certain number of students who actually like wearing the animal costumes, including putting on the animal tails and cat ears and so on. Why are seemingly more people going for cute-looking animal attires? And also, why do we seem to be having more LGBTQ population than decades ago? I would like to make my professional speculation about the increase of these types of people. If you are interested in this kind of discussions, please click the channel logo for the next similar episode. Although I have nothing against LGBTQ people, it seems that there are more LGBTQ people today than before who are working hard for their social acceptance. Why does it seem there are more such people? In general, the person's sexual identity is formed due to the amount of male hormone while the person was in uterus. In addition to that, Sigmund Freud advocates very early childhood environment during the early infancy is critical in deciding the person's sexual identity, saying if the mother was too aggressive, the child cannot develop positive impression of a female and having a preference toward male figures. And also, in case father was virtually non-existent in family life, the child not having a male role model cannot develop male sexual identity and have more tendencies to develop female characteristics. All in all, these indicates very early dysfunctional family environment could influence what kind of sexual identity the child would develop later on. That said, why does it seem there are more LGBTQ type of people in today's society? Here's my speculation. In American society, it is more generally considered that too close animalistic physical contacts, including breastfeedings, is not socially preferred. So children are placed in a separate room starting in their very early childhood, while parents sleep in a different bedroom, often supervising babies by security cameras and so on. Also, there are relatively more cases of single parenthood, although these do not cover everything. All in all, these types of lifestyle may seem to be short of parent-child communications during their early childhood. And I speculate this lack of close contact during their early childhood in American society seem to be working negatively on their child developing appropriate sexual identity which matches their natural physical condition, because their early childhood is weak in terms of providing enough contacts, and also due to the higher cases of dysfunctional family, today's children are more likely to be missing what is necessary for them to develop their natural sexual identity. And this banning furry attire in Florida is also happening because of their weak sexual identity that leads to more feminine furry attire being popular among young people today. This is it. Thank you so very much for always supporting this channel by subscription, likes, and sharing. And I am truly hoping you have peaceful night wherever you are watching this video on this same small planet Earth during the same period of time. Okay, until next time. Bye-bye.